Starting something new with an idea and making it fully alive in working environment and delivering business value from it has its own joy. Global Solution Delivery gives this opportunity to an IT manager in Unilever. It is a key role in enterprise solutions within Unilever, responsible for end-to-end delivery of large-scale global IT projects with a spend of 5 to 10 million euros per year. This role requires managing a large team of vendor partners to ensure delivery of project milestones on time and within budget. You will work closely with IT business partners, functional SMEs on project delivery with the power to measure and manage all key performance indicators. You will also be responsible for transition to support and ensure minimal disruption while landing the project. Let me tell you about an interesting project which I am working on. Project Silk Road is for implementation of Oracle Transport Management in 40 countries across Asia, Africa, Australia, New Zealand over 4 years. Oracle Transport Management is the most sophisticated and comprehensive application of its kind, and it enables Unilever to manage its transportation networks in terms of supply chain flows. Be it raw material, packing material, flow from vendors' premise to factories, or finished goods from factory to warehouses or warehouse to distributors, all these legs are optimized using this tool. We started this project with a few key countries like India, South Africa, and Indonesia, and now Unilever is reaping the efficiencies through this transportation solution, resulting in global savings of over 50 million euros. The entire implementation of Oracle Transport Management is delivered from the Bangalore Center. This ensures efficient delivery, more informed decision making, and cost effectiveness. I also oversee an SAP development team based out of Istanbul and other on-site resources deployed at other Unilever market clusters. This job requires coordination with multiple system integrators like Accenture, Oracle, KPIT, and overseeing 80 plus consultants and specialists to ensure project delivery on time. This presents an opportunity, an exciting challenge, and an enriching experience. The Solution Delivery Manager then is the centerpiece of an IT project in the ERP space. We are looking for people having good project management skills with excellent IT acumen and appreciation for business functions. You must possess the ability to manage a large and diverse team across geographic locations. This requires a self-driven individual who can take up challenges of delivering large-scale IT projects. So do join us and you will experience it all.